Emirates is a global carrier, flies millions of passengers worldwide each year, rewarding them with Skyward miles. But what happens when those miles fails to show up? Welcome back to our channel, your digital guide. In this video, we will help you understand how to claim Emirates Skyward miles. If you want to claim Skyward miles from an Emirates flight, here is what you need to do. Log into the Emirates Skyward account, navigate to claim miles, enter your Emirates ticket number and booking reference number, choose the passenger name and submit. Your missing miles will be credited instantly. But what about when missing miles from partner airlines such as Qantas or Malaysia Airlines? The process is a bit different. Log into your Emirates Skyward account, navigate to claim miles and select claim miles from one of your partners. You can complete a partner airline claim via live chat or fill out the form for non-flight partners. Claiming Skyward miles is usually quick and painless. Ensure your Skyward number is attached to your booking to avoid missing out on miles. And remember, miles from non-flight partners may take more effort but are equally claimable. Once you have reclaimed your miles, explore the best uses of Skyward miles to maximize your rewards. Thank you for watching our video on claiming Skyward miles. Don't let those miles slip away. Subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and loyalty program insights.